All right, so on this problem, they're asking for the first 5 terms of an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is only a sequence that is separated by, I gotta move my face. It's only separated by going from one number to the next by adding a constant. So it's the simplest kind of sequence that you have. A sequence, this is notation to represent a sequence. This is shorthand notation. I'm not a fan, actually. I like the list notation, so you can see it. So the first 5 terms from this DDS, it would start with 1,000 and then would go up. And I left the answers here for my problem so that you can see like the format of how you're supposed to enter it. But how do you do this? First, you should always make a table or use Excel if you want to. But just start out. If you think like a table, you're always going to be right. And it's not about who's the first done, it's only about who's right. First of all, they gave you information. At n equals 0, P0 is 1,000. So I got my first one. The second one I find by plugging into the DDS. The DDS says Pn is the previous one plus 64. So the previous one was 1,000 plus 64. I get 1,064. And if you notice, the answer is correct because I compared it to what I did and they got the same thing. I like to recast things positively. All right, so that's my P1. P sub 1 is 1,064. P sub 2, well, the 1,064 is the previous, so it goes down and I add 64. 1,128. You don't really need a table for this. I'm showing this drawn out. So then we do it again. 1,128 plus 64 give you 1,192. Look at that. All of their answers are right because they got the same thing I got. And then do it again. I'm going to take 1,192 and add 64 to give me 1,256. So this sequence goes here in the curly brackets. What is the analytic closed form solution for this DDS? This has a special closed form solution. The formula for it is P0 plus n times d. So you put everything where it belongs. It's a formula. 1,000 plus n times 64. That's my closed form. Either this or what they have will work. It's the same thing. What's the advantages of having this? Well, if n is equal to 50, I can put 50 in here and automatically get the answer without going one by one down a table and actually finding it. So that's the advantage. Let's just check our solution. If I plug in 1, I get 1,000 plus 64, which is the same thing I got over here in the table. So again, another check that their answer is correct.